Hey, welcome back to my channel, Expat Rebel. This is Chris here, documenting my Mexican beach home renovation. Today they got a lot done. They just left. Didn't stay as late as they did yesterday, but what they did on the pool, if you guys have been following along, they finally got this piece with the hole in the middle. Finally got that in, and they did one over here. It took one person all day to do both these pieces. They also shacooned the bottom of the pool today, as you can see there. So we have the sides and the bottom, even the little stairs here and so little chair. Tomorrow they're going to do these stairs and the shallow area. And then on the steam room, they finally started sticking in the marble tile I told you guys about. We did this, they did the whole, this thing, and even started cutting pieces to fit at the top, and only stick a drainage thing at the bottom here. And this is going to be where the light switch is. That's coming along really well. Also, so I think that's about it that they did today. Actually, that's not true. We did do one more thing. We have an air conditioner in the living room. Of course, when we use it, it drips water because air conditioner that. So we have a little pipe that goes down into a drain. We had this installed because when we concrete this over, this air conditioner would drain all over the balcony. So we had to fix that, and that's it. We also have an air conditioner down here, what we call casita, the bottom floor, and that's the air conditioner there. And this little hose is the excess water that drips out of it. And they're going to do the same thing. They got a drawing right here of where the drain will go for that. Also, they worked on this manhole where they have some plumbing all juncture down there. A lot of bank on that today. And that's it for today. They did a lot, and I'm very happy with how it's going. And looking at the pool and the steam room, you can definitely see how it's almost done. So it's doing really great. Like the video, make sure you click that like button. You got comment, positive comment. Always love those. You got a question about doing a renovation in Mexico, go ahead and leave a comment. I'll either answer the comment or a whole video, which I have done. And make sure you subscribe so you see more of this. I know once we get this project done and the solar again, it's going over on that bodega way over there. And they start in a few days. And so hopefully in a little over a week or so, we should have solar up and running as well. But once those projects are done, we're going to take a break and enjoy the pool and the steam room and our little palapa and the ocean there. So we're going to enjoy it and not do a couple more projects that we need to do until next year. So I'll be doing some more travel-y types of essays and things. We live here full time here in Yucatan, Mexico on the beach. We go to Merida every once in a while. Actually, a few days. We got a trip down there and we enjoy the local national parks, the pyramids and stuff as well. Hit that bell notification and you'll get notified when I come out with a new video. And that's it from here in Yucatan, Mexico. See you guys later. Bye.